Hey! Welcome back to the channel. Feeling low on energy? Well, I've got exciting news for you. Today, we're diving into how switching to a plant-based diet can skyrocket your energy levels like never before. Let's get started by exploring how a plant-based diet can transform your vitality and overall well-being. By loading up on plant-powered foods, you can experience a significant boost in energy and feel your best throughout the day. Many people struggle with low energy levels due to poor dietary choices. It's no surprise, what we eat directly affects our energy. Common culprits like processed foods and high sugar intake can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. But there's a natural solution that can turn this around. Plant-based foods are packed with energy-boosting nutrients. From complex carbohydrates that provide sustained fuel to essential vitamins and minerals that support overall vitality, plant-based eating can be your secret weapon against fatigue. Let's dive into some powerhouse plant-based foods known for their incredible energy-boosting properties. Think sweet potatoes, quinoa, chia seeds, and leafy greens. These foods help stabilize your blood sugar, improve digestion, and provide lasting energy throughout the day. Making the switch to a plant-based diet isn't just about eating more vegetables, it's about fueling your body with the best nutrients for sustained energy and focus. Imagine feeling more vibrant, alert, and ready to conquer your day with just a few simple changes to your diet. So, to wrap things up, boosting your energy with a plant-based diet is all about making smart food choices that enhance your vitality and overall health. By incorporating more plant-powered meals, you're not just energizing your body but also promoting long-term well-being. I challenge you to try incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet and feel the amazing benefits for yourself. Share your experiences and energy-boosting tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear how plant-based eating has transformed your life. And don't forget to check out the description for more tips and resources. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, plant power is the key to unlocking your energy potential. See you in the next video.